Okay everyone, welcome to this video, and today we're actually going to talk about an error of Unity, and the error is failed to load window layout, and then saying this can happen if layout contains custom windows on and there are compiler errors. Now this is actually a bug of Unity 2020, or let's say 2020.1.7 or below versions. Now this actually happens for nothing at all. You do not have any custom windows open on your project, and same with no compiling errors, but you are still getting this. And all this thing load default layout and revert vector settings is not actually going to fix error. Now how to fix this, right? I know how to fix it. The way you can fix it is going back to your older project, and sorry, not older project, but going back to an LTS version of Unity, and then coming back into this version of Unity by fixing the error. Now you can actually fix this error by going on installs from your Unity hub, and then add an LTS version of Unity. Now I have already added this Unity 2019.4.11. Now by adding, I mean I have installed it. Now you should add or install this as well, and when you are actually done installing it, just come on your projects, and then from this drop down after new, just click on it, and then click on this 2019.4.11, and then create a new project. And this is 100% sure is going to fix your this error, and I know that because I already faced this error, and I was facing this error for 2 days now, and I actually have found this method to fix it. Now as you can see, I made this project a while ago after I'm done actually fixing the error. And if I actually open this up now, this is actually on Unity 2019 point sorry, it's on 2020.1.7, and as you can see it's working. And here's the Unity version, the personal DX11, something like, I don't know. Anyway, as you can see, this is actually working, and I hope this is going to work for you as well. Now if this video is helpful for you, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. I just recently hit 308 subscribers, and a very much thanks for 308 subscribers. I hope you're going to subscribe as well. And if you actually have any more issues about this thing, you can comment down below. If I have time, I will make sure to figure out your problem as well, and you can actually hope replies from my channel, as I am very stupid and, let's say, small channel. And I know I have been posting some rogue content after this breakout, so you might say that I am actually moving on from game developing to gaming. Actually no, I'm going to do both on this channel, and new tutorials and new game developing stuffs are coming on this channel very soon. So I hope you're actually going to subscribe to the channel and help me grow, and I'll see you very soon. Okay.